Ika'y saya ng bawat sandali, kailan may hindi pagpapalit. Ikaw ang aking hiniling, sa habang buhay ay makapiling. Ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasaan? Aking minimithi ay ikaw lamang. Ikaw ang aking pangarap, ikaw ang sagot sa aking dasal. Puso ko ay iaalay, pagkat minamahal kitang tunay. Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig, ang nagbibigay kulay sa aking daigdig. Wala nang nanaisin pa, kung magpakailanman ay kasama ka. Ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasaan? Aking minimithi ay ikaw lamang. Ikaw lamang. Ikaw ang aking pangarap, ikaw ang sagot sa aking dasal. Puso ko ay aalay, pagkat minamahal kitang tunay. Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig, ang nagbibigay kulay sa aking daigdig. Wala nang nanaisin pa, kasama ka. Ikaw ang pangarap, ikaw ang aking pangarap.
There was an empty space in my heart. Hi, Divina. Hi, kids. Happy 40th, Jimmy. I wish you all the best. May God bless you, and wish that you were all there to celebrate your birthday with you. Okay? Say hello to Jimmy.
Say happy birthday to Jimmy. Hi, Jimmy. Kumusta na? Happy birthday, ha? And hope you get spoiled today by everybody. So, hopefully we can see each other soon again. Okay?
Miss you and we love you, okay?
Jimmy, happy birthday for your 40th birthday, and I'm sorry I can't be there, but have a great time, and I look forward to seeing you back in your 40th year.
Happy birthday, Jimmy. Wait till you're 51 like me, mate.
Because you're his favorite.
Alright. Are you ready?
Yep.
Gosh, Jimmy, 40 years old. Happy birthday, and my deepest commiserations. It's all downhill from now on.
Sorry, before you start, photo or video? Start. So can I say happy birthday to you, Jimmy? Can I sing to you? No, I'm not going to sing to you. I'm not going to put you through any singing. Happy 40th birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday, Jimmy. Is that good? Happy birthday. I'm really sorry I can't make it to your birthday because I'm going back home to see Mom. But have fun and happy 40th birthday.
Birthday, sir. Happy birthday and more blessings to enjoy and to share. Yun lang po.
Hi Jimmy, happy birthday. I can't imagine you're 40 soon. You just look like 31. I can't believe it, but have a nice time and what else? I just hope you also luck and then have a nice birthday and best wishes from Savita and all the team members of Team 8.
Happy birthday, Jimmy. All the best. Join in the 40 club. Well done. Take care.
Hi Jimmy, this is Amo. Wish you many more happy returns of today. I wish you happy, healthy, and long life. Thank you.
Thanks.
Hi, okay na? Jim, happy birthday. Marami inom po niya. Okay, sige. Enjoy your birthday and good luck. Thanks for looking after us. Thank you.
My life started to change. I wake up each day.
This is my buddy's hobby, but he likes basketball and he's the captain of the team. Happy birthday, buddy. Huh? We love you. And we kiss you. Hope you like it, Daddy. Kiss from James. Hope you have a good life, Daddy. And action!
Is it possible maybe to ever love so strong that nothing could ever compare? I'm holding back nothing just for the look in your eyes.